So hey guys, I told you that once I got all of my pieces in, that I would show you what we have. So it's going to be a quick little video. I'm not going to try them on. I'm just going to show you the pieces out of the packaging and what they actually look like. So our first piece is this animal print mini dress. It's really sexy. It's nice for going out to the club or something like that. But this is the mini dress. I'm gonna hold it up. It is very mini. It has the sleeves on the side, so it's off the shoulder. And on the back, if you could see, it ties up. So your back is out. And it has a cute little tie up on the back. But yep, this is the animal print mini dress. Super cute. The next piece that I have is more of a grown-up sexy look. It has a really deep V cut. Looks totally different on, but it has a nice little V cut, long sleeve, burgundy with ruching on the side, so it kind of hugs all of your curves. If you could see that one, it's kind of long, so it's not super short like the last dress. So this one, if you wanted to go to a nice little cocktail hour or something like that, it's more appropriate than the other. This one here is my ruched black mesh dress. It has mesh material and it's ruched all the way through, if you can see that. So it has ruching all over on the sides. It's very fitted with very thin spaghetti straps. They're not adjustable, but they're not gonna hang too low either. It has some nice elastic right here, so it's really stretchy, very cute. That's probably my favorite because it's not super revealing. It's a nice length, but it's really cute as well. So the next set is a two-piece set, and it is my second favorite. So the top is like this, kind of a silky material. It ties up, so you can crisscross tie it how you like. And the material is kind of silky, a nice brown color. So it's very neutral. You can look nice, not do too much with any bright colors, you know? And it comes with a matching midi skirt. So it's not super short, but it hugs your curves. So it gives you that classy look. So yeah, it's a nice fit. So I love that one a lot. And the last two pieces, they're the same piece, but they're two different colors, are Show Me Off jumpsuit. They're almost gone, almost sold out. A lot of people are really liking this jumpsuit. This is the white one. So I don't know if it'll show up on camera good, but it has a small collar, nothing too much on the neck. That's a zipper right there, and it zips all the way down to the middle, so you can be as sexy or as modest as you like. And also, if you can see, it has the little thumb hole, so you can be sporty as well. And at the bottom, you have zippers on the side, so if you're wearing heels and want to kind of make it a little more fancy, you can unzip the ends as well. So yeah, we have that in black as well. But these are just some of the pieces that I got in, and that is what we're doing our photo shoot in. We actually picked our model already, so we're planning our photo shoot for next Saturday. So I'm super excited. She's going to model these pieces and we'll get them on the site. Right now they're on the site, so you can shop these pieces right now, but we're just trying to spruce up the site, make it look more professional. So our model is going to do that for us, make it very cute. We have new pieces coming in every month right now. Once we pick up business, we'll add pieces more frequently, but that's just the pieces for this month. Next month is Valentine's, so we'll add a few more colorful pieces and getting ready for springtime. So you know, the sets and the neons and the pastels are gonna be in, so make sure you check us out. Bye.